welcome to Housey. My name is Ekta Kapoor and today we will be doing the teaser of the upcoming project in Mandri, which is called the Casa Grande Roman Town. Now the best part of this project is that it is inspired from Roman architecture. Well, I'm going to tell you a lot about it, but before that, let me quickly tell you what exactly Housey is all about. Housey is India's first ever online platform जहाँ पर listing करते हैं सीधे developers. Thereby, you get not just the bottom price but also genuine information. Unlike other platforms where one inquiry makes you get multiple calls, at Housey we connect you directly with the developer. So what exactly are you waiting for? Quickly register yourself with Housey today. In this video, I will tell you about the overview, that is what is the land parcel, number of towers and all of the details that you need to know. Along with that, I'll also tell you about the location, amenities and also the booking process. So stay tuned with me until the end of this video. Talking about the land parcel, this project is going to be constructed on a total land parcel of 10 acres and it will have 6 magnificent towers which will have 2 podium plus 32 floors of beautiful 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs. The 3 BHKs would be on 2 different variants. Talking about the location, the project is located on Manjri Road in Manjri, very close to the Pune-Solapur highway. And speaking of the connectivity, the Pune-Solapur highway is right 1.2 kilometers from this location and Hadapsar Gaditar is just about 6 kilometers from here. Talking about the amenities, the project is going to have 90 plus luxurious amenities and one of them is one of my favorite. It's going to be a 1-acre mega sized clubhouse along with the basic other amenities like a swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area and a lot more. Talking about the carpet areas, there are going to be 2 different variants. In the 2 BHK is going to be of 850 square feet and the 3 BHK is going to be of 950 square feet. There is yet another version of the 3 BHK which is a larger size, which is going to be of 1090 square feet. Talking about the booking process, the EOI has officially begun. Once you come over here, then our sales representative will show you the complete brochure, explain you the complete project, and then if you are interested, you can go ahead with the EOI for the booking process. So stay tuned to Housey because this is where we tell you all the details of all the projects that you need to know about. So everyone, this was the teaser for the project Casa Grande Roman Town, which is located in Manjri. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.